Well, she's trying to open that.
Let's see.
That's not open.
Oh, that's a real one, huh?
Some of them don't. Some of them are real, and then some of them have stuff inside. So she's going to have to.
This is a.
Can you help her find one that's?
There's a quarter.
Yep, there's quarters and
Where do you?
Hayden will find
candy.
I already found a couple.
Did you find some with stuff inside, Caden?
Here's a real one. That's the one you already opened, Boo. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Here, pocket. I'll save it for you. Here.
The bag for your eggs.
Oh no, I did this.
Yay!
Oops.
What'd you find?
Do that with your
Did you find a real? Ooh, that was one of yours that you colored.
Pretty
There
yellow
are some
one.
fake eggs for Toby.
There's a lot of them. There's 18 of those fake eggs. So
Open.
Oh, there's a lot of them out there.
do you like chocolate, little girl? Mm-hmm.
Nope.
Go see Daddy. Nope. Nope. Go see Daddy.
Toby!
A real one. Good find. That one goes to Nana, huh?
Let's see it. Which one is it? Oh, so pretty.
That's a real one. That's a grandpa. Here,
I'm Mark, is that?
go give grandpa.
Uh-oh, go see what Daddy got.
This is too much going on.
I'm for more, yes.
Look, Daddy, I think got something. Oh. Oh, nice.
What'd you find, Keisha?
Want to get a pocket?
Nana,
Yes, sweetie.
here.
Okay.